Let me check for the curry one. Remember who make red? Two red. Two red. How about green? Okay. And the last 6 people of Khao Thoi or Chiang Mai. Can you closer? Evan, closer. Okay, go this way. I'm gonna show you the. Here, it's okay. And go this way. Okay. Now everyone, so I will show you. We have 3 of this one. And this one, remember? Green, good. And this one, red. Okay. So I talk about when we shoot the menu. Red and green, everything same. Different only chili, right? Green we use fresh and red we use the dry. The big dry chili that we show in the market, but you have to cook first. Okay. And the rest one, the ingredient is all the same. Okay. I already told you in the garden, and then you have to tell me back. Okay. The first one, what is that? Lemongrass. Everyone know. And this one, curcuma. Okay, turmeric. That. And this one, come on. In English?
No sense.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Kaffir lime skin. Okay. And this one, Thai ginger. Yeah. Okay. Galanka or someone called sweet ginger. And this one. Ooh, ginseng. Okay. Faster. Ginseng, finger root or Thai ginseng. Okay. Everyone know. Garlic. And this one. Shallot. Okay. German team. Shallot. Okay. And the last one. No pepper. No green pepper. Coriander seed. Oh.
Come on and cook with me. That is your Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time. That is your Scenic. That is your Scenic.
Make curry paste one hand, everyone. One hand smash and one hand cover, like careful your eye. You just do like this, keep pounding. No, like this. Okay, if you do like this, chili is spread everywhere. No, like it too slow. Tomorrow finish. Okay, keep pounding. When you're tired, you can switch.
Okay.
And the rest, one person smash and the rest you cut everything very fine. Chop, very fine. Okay.
That is your Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time. That is your Scenic. That is your Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is your Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is your Scenic.
Green team.
I wanna teach you.
Okay, green team together. Okay, green team. Smile, 1, 2, 3, smile. Nice.
Cook like a real time.
They do my
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
That is your Scenic.
Okay. Keep going until no skin, no seed.
No skin.
Yeah. Just oh, I don't like this one. You have grass, sun grass. Protect you. Chili is spreading your eyes. Yeah.
That is your Scenic. Come on and cook. That is your Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time. That is I'm gonna go now. Yes, thank you. That is yes,
Wanna try? You wanna try green? I know you like spicy. Maybe you say not spicy. Okay.
Come on and cook with me. That is yes, come on and cook with me. That is yes, I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time.
Okay.
That is yes, come on and cook with me. That is yes,